Look at mama baby. Look at mama baby. Look at mama baby. Look at mama baby Tosin. Now every time I sing to Tosin, he gets upset. He doesn't like mommy to sing. Watch this. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now he's happy. As long as I don't sing, he won't cry. Now I'll sing again. Watch him start crying again. Oh, that's why he cries every time I sing. Why? You don't like mommy singing? You don't like mommy singing?
No.
Huh? You don't like mommy singing? You don't like mama singing? Huh? You don't like mama singing? Okay. Okay. Sorry. I won't sing anymore. I quit.